hello, how are you? This is Els, and guess what? I went shopping. I did. I was just going to go get a pattern. That's all I wanted. And I got one. You know, and it's nice and used. So I got one. I'm going to go pick these up because they're like 75 cents to $1 at the Deseret. And then when I was there, I saw this, and I was like, that would be cool for, you know, like, when I'm doing tags, you know, for cutting them. And it's from Fiskars. So, I got that. And then, I found this thing. And it's a, it's an exercise machine for your arms. You know, it's supposed to get rid of that big, baggy bat wing. But I got it, and it had all the bands with it, so I figured what the hell. And then I found these, and I thought they were kind of cool, so I grabbed them. And you know, they're just alphas, but they're textured and they're really kind of cool. So I grabbed them. Because, you know, I'm always looking for stuff for giveaways and things. And I got a couple of rolls of them. And then, I got some new textures. I'm all out of white, so that was good. I've never seen this dark green before, so I got that one. And then I'm out of purple, so I got some purples. And I got like a silver gray in here in this like sage color, which is really cool. But there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's like 10 things in there. So I grabbed that. And then I got this. And this had like 3 different purple ones in it, and they were really cool. So I had to get those. What else? Oh, and then I found a dictionary too for the Amy. It's a big fat old dictionary. I like old dictionaries. So does the Amy. And then I went to the post office and dropped some stuff off. And I was on my way back. And I got a tingle. So I went to Savers. And I found this. And I thought that would be cool to make a ring bound out of it. You know? I could do a ring bound in there. And it's got a really cool cover on it. So I thought, you know, maybe we'll do that. I'll do a ring bound on it. And then I found this. And it's in pretty good shape. You know? So I can take this part off and replace the blade. And then this little thing here goes underneath there. Like that. And it cuts. And I don't know if it cuts. Let's find out if it cuts. Do I have any paper? I need a piece of paper. I never have paper when I want paper, but I always have paper. Here we go. I got paper over here. Here we go. So, this little arm is supposed to come up. Let's see. What are we doing? Does this arm come up? I don't know. I'll put the thing on there. I don't think so. It has to. Well, I got the paper under there. I'll figure it out later. Yep, it cuts. It's locked in there, but it does have a swing on it, so it does come up. I think it might just be locked, and I just don't know how to unlock it. That's a possibility. Oh, there we go. Okay, yeah, so this looks brand new. You know, the little rail. This is in good condition. Ooh, I should see if this fits on that other Fisker. And then this goes down, and then you put the paper in there. Put the paper in, down, cut, open. Cuts pretty good. Okay, I like it. It's almost brand new. But it's got the extending arm that comes out this way and locks. And it has the secondary arm over here that goes out to 6 inches. So that's pretty cool. So I got that. You know I love paper trimmers. And then I found this. It was a whole pack of vellum. Yeah. So we'll see. I'm probably gonna put this in the sale. Not all of it, obviously, but you know, like in packs, like 10 sheets or something. I don't know. And then I saw this little bag. You guys know I love bags. So, let's see. All right, so what do we got? We have eyelets, big ones, and then brass, and the gold tone and the silver in the little ones, which is cool. I like the little ones. There we go. Got those. Then there's this little tape dispenser, just missing a piece, but it's a washi tape dispenser, and it's got 5 rolls of washi. Can't help myself. You guys know this. And then there's this, and I think this is mica powder. I'm pretty sure this is mica. Yeah, that's mica powder. So that's definitely going to be in the sale. And then I found 2 more bags of washi. You guys know I can't help myself when it comes to washi tape. Okay. Alright, so let's see what we got. Alright, so we got like blues and greens, teal colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of those. Yellows and stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of those. And then there's this one that says relax babe, and it's got a duck on it, a swan. I have no idea. It's just silly. And then there's this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And some of these are kind of cool boho. These are Scotch. A lot of these are Scotch, not cheap. That one's cool. Look at those. Then there's this one, which is all alphabets. There's 5 of those. Look at that big boho. And then this one. I don't know what the hell this is. What are these things? Oh, it's like women. That's got to be a designer. And then there's this one and this one. You know what? I'm taking a look at these and I think I know what designer this is. Okay. And then there's this one. I'm just going to send that one to Arlene. And then we got some. That's another Scotch. That's another boho. And then there's this one. There's some emojis. And yep, there's some more. These are delusions, I can tell. So this is a delusion. This is dilutions. This is dilusions. So there's like 4 or 5 dilusions here. So, and there's a couple of different ones in here that I will use. That's dilutions. Yeah, that's dilutions. So I got all that. What else did I get? I think that's pretty much all I got today. Okay, so that's it. That's all I got. Listen, if you're new here, hit the button. Doesn't hurt. Helps me out. Check out my community tab to see what I got going on. And that's it. Until I see you again, stay well, my friends. Bye.